Oh yeah, you already know what it is. And P back in the building with another one. Another one mean another banger, which means another new episode, which means another new video, which means another new day of trading. You feel me? So, further ado, let's go ahead and get this boy started. You know, I'm flowing. I don't give a. You know that I'm trading and I'm not perfect. You know, look it up. So much smoke at you, coughing. I'm on Mars, I'm a blue dolphin. Finny print on my shirt and drops. Doing from, I'm serving y'all. Oh yeah, you already know what it is. Well, or basically I already told you what it was in the intro. So with that being said, that means let's get it cracking. Without further ado, we ain't gonna go ahead and take up your time, all of your time today. You feel me? Cause I know you having a beautiful day today, and cause I'm having a beautiful day today. You feel me? Today. You feel me? So today is February 28th, and means we've been, I could say, pretty consistent with posting throughout this month. It's not as much as last month, but we've been going through this month. You feel me? Been going crazy. So that, all I can do is just stay consistent throughout this whole year and just stay uploading on what I'm doing. Not even doing on a daily basis, but just doing with this trading, with just learning each and every day, and just taking each and every day at a time, experiencing the difficulties of trading, and also just filming, my other half of my career. What I like to do as fun, basically. My fun. So what I like to do for fun. So basically just filming my fun, me having fun. So boom. That being said, let's go ahead and get this boy cracking. Like I said, I was doing too much talking, but it's time for this trading. So let's get it. My bad, zoomed out a little too far. Back on it right there. So we are looking at the pair of GBP USD for the pair of the day, basically. And as of right now, as you can see, we are looking at 1 hour time frame. The market has just opened yesterday, so this is the day after the market is opening. So I wanted to let it fluctuate before I just sit here and entered on any type of trade, due to the fact that it could possibly be doing anything. As you can see, when the market opened on Sunday, it was all the way up here as a retest and ended up all the way down here, like, to restart for Sunday. Like, that's ridiculous. But then, as you can see, I drew this little stop loss area just to indicate that that this could be a key area, that if it hits there again, it could whether break through or come down like it did the first time. It came down the first time as a retest. That's why I put it, because okay, that's the main area that it's going to stop. As you can scroll over to the side, it stopped there, and and it passed too. But either way it go, it did come back down to this minor key level that I did set up, and again, it broke through it, but it retested one more time, but then it broke through it. As you can see, it did come back down again, but then again it broke through it. So after it broke through it, as you can see, it created a nice long candlestick that broke through my horizontal trend line, which indicated that it was basically over with for this trend line. These could be over with as well. So like I was saying, so that trend line is over with. So with that being said, it broke through it, so it could just continue up at this point, or at least touch right down here to retest before it makes its new direction. As you can see, I did draw a horizontal trend line my bad, right before the video had cut off. I was saying that I had drew up this horizontal trend line right here. Well, not even horizontal, but this parallel trend line right here, this side to side trend line, and it hasn't even reached this area yet. So it is going up as of right now. As you can see, it has touched the same height of that previous candlestick. That was a gravestone candlestick right on top of this major key area box that I did draw up as a, it touched and retested multiple times, but as you can see, it has not still created the multiple, the momentum yet to complete the rest. But again, as we scroll down to these lower time frames, we'll see what it's doing, where is it going, as it's to say. You feel what I'm saying? Because we still at a 1 hour trend line. As you can see, it's still on top of this box, but it's starting to consolidate a little bit because it doesn't know if it wants to, whether break through this, or this trend line right here, or whether it wants to continue down and retest before it break, continue downwards or go up. Let's take a look at this 4 hours so we can just see more of the structure. So right now, again, it's kind of difficult for me to tell until some more of these boxes formed. This is a doji, as you can see right here, that is forming. So it's a little indecisive for me, but it does look kind of like a W formation, as we could see. Let's go ahead and scroll it down to a 30-minute. My bad, I've been flicking through all these little time frames. And as you can see, even from the indicator, the Williams alligator indicator, that it is going up. It did retest again. I was looking for that retest and it did retest, but it didn't go all the way down. As you can see, it just blindly touched it just a little over the top, and it looks like it's creating an M formation. Boom, 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 boom. It could create an M formation, or it could just create this nice little N pushed up. You feel what I'm saying? So again, it's still above this top of this major key level box. So we, again, we just waiting it out, because again, this is not my day to be trading. So GBP USD, we are waiting for you. You feel me? I am waiting for you. So with that being said, yeah, this is a 30-minute time frame, and it's just forming this bottom half of the candlestick. Even if I scroll down to our time frame, it just made the top half of the candlestick, and it wasn't high enough to even bypass this. So again, it's nice. It's a nice size. It even touched over here the same height, but again, it's not enough. So go ahead, let's look at this 30-minute again. Even the 30-minute again is still looking the same to me. 15-minute, as you can see, it has some consolidation as of right here. It's making a little bit of consolidation again right here, but I'm not for sure how long it's going to be consolidating. Let's see. It may continue with the upper, with this up push, because as you can see, even if I was to put, I was just trying to check out the horizontal trend line, but let me see. Boom. Even if I was to draw two, because this one, it could be just on a small tip. If you were just on the scalping tip, you feel me? Let's draw it even from right here. No, I should have just, you feel me? So that'd be two. So if it break through right here, that'd be one confirmation. To break through two confirmation. Then if it boom, just be like, that's three confirmations right there, I guess. But this, I guess we can have a two confirmation step, because again, I tried one from right here, it was pretty beautiful, and then we tried it again, it was still pretty beautiful. So that's like a two-step confirmation. Even if it does just stop on top of here, could just be confirming that it's going to continue with the upward momentum. But again, we're going to leave that right there just to see. We're going to actually change the color so we can represent that this is something, if it does go through, that it will be kind of a danger zone of it going down, continue with the downtrend. Again, let's look at this 5-minute time frame before we end it up with the GBP USD. Wait it out, as you can see what I was looking at. And as you can see, I'm happy I wasn't trading this at all, because this is a nice consolidated box. It may actually move today. Let me see. Tuesday, stay motivated through the wind. Get ready, because it does move. Let me see. Don't trade on Mondays. Okay, move. I just have to look at my whole trade plan. My bad. Either way it go, I'm not supposed to trade today, not even tomorrow, but I may trade Euro USD today or tomorrow. For me, but as you can see, these small, like all of this is like all these wicks right here, they all kind of match up evenly. Kind of in another little boxed area in the consolidated box, so we could be looking for a break and retest. So let's go ahead and do this nice little something. You trying to be funny, man. Shit blended in way too. Come on now, Mark. What you doing, boy? What you doing, B, boy? What you doing, boy? You tweaking, boy. Wrong. Tweaking, boy. Alright, that's cool. Actually, I'm gonna change that color one more time. I need it to be yellow. Yellow will probably hit a lot more better. There we go. So as you can see, the mellow yellow. So it could see break and retest. Yeah, I could have thought that was a nice break and retest. But again, we in a 5 minute time frame, so that break and retest, it may be very small. Oh, as you can see, break and retest, but that retest wasn't good. So we can see it may continue with the upper momentum. I don't know. I may need to put a little alert right on top of here. It may not even let me. So I got an alert set on another one. Yeah. I know. If you know TradingView, then I know. Whatever. I know I'm gonna get it. Ooh, let me see. Is it just see it's still forming that bottom wick? So let me see. It may go up. It may be starting to form that top half of that wick, and it's gonna bypass this trend line. We gonna see, but I want to catch that if it does. You feel me? I do want to catch it, but if I don't, it is what it is. I ain't tripping. I am on a demo account, so I ain't gonna be tripping. But that would be a nice capitalization if I was to catch it. But I ain't trying to lose, so I ain't trying to get in on nothing that I'm lose on. You feel me? Or that I'm indecisive on. Cause if I get in and I'm indecisive and I get out, I done lost some money. Especially if I ain't a profit yet. So that'd be stupid as hell. So that's it as of right now for GBP USD. As of right now, we're gonna sit still, be comfortable, and wait it out. I ain't gonna really do too much, you feel me? Me personally, this is how I'm feeling about it. And yeah, if anybody else has any ideas on anything else, or you see anything different, make sure you comment down below, because I'm gonna post this video on YouTube, you feel me? But other than that, again, I'm gonna scroll it out to our time frame, because that's what I've been looking at it as recently. And yeah, we're gonna go from right there. Even with the Williams alligators, you can see this downtrend has ended, so this retest could be coming. You feel me? Retest could be coming, even on the daily time frame. The 4 hour and the daily, the retest could be coming. The retest could be, yeah, you see it's coming down right now. Okay, that's fine, but the wicks and the candles have to go up and touch up here. You feel me? But it still has not formed the bottom half of the wick, so that downtrend after that retest, it could continue down. So, you know, you're gonna have to wait it out and see. You feel me? It's gonna get a little tricky for a minute. You feel me? Have to be cautious. But again, that's what we have for GBP USD. I'm gonna go ahead and take it easy for a minute. Let's go and check on this Euro USD right quick. Boom. So as you can see, I still have that green Fibonacci set up. We're looking for a retest as of right now, because it created a nice ass downtrend last week. So let me see, it has started to be going, it has started to begin to go up. Let's move this, because I was looking for a sell for some reason, but I don't think that it's going for no sell. Why? Because it's already been going for that sell, so it should be coming for a retest this upcoming week. Now, I may be wrong and it may continue with the downtrend, but as of right now, what I'm thinking is this uptrend may be coming. Even with the Williams alligator indicator, you could see that it is indeed going upwards. So let's go ahead and look at this daily time frame. It is creating a bullshit ass wick right here. So I don't even know what that is. Like a crybaby right there. Boy, ain't even telling me nothing, boy. Oh man, so again, it looked like I'm just about to be sitting and waiting. I can't even rush in on this Euro USD neither, even though I know I said in the past that it moves. I should have got in earlier if I really wanted to get in on this one, but other than that, it is what it is. I ain't even tripping, you feel me? I'm gonna just wait it out, because again, whether GBP USD move or USD move, it's gonna move tonight, even tomorrow morning. So just gotta be prepared. I don't want to again get in on GBP USD because it's not my pair to be moving, but I to be trading on Tuesday, but I know for sure that it's gonna move. So it's a little tricky one, you know what I'm saying? So be careful, you feel me? So Yeah, we're looking at a 2-hour time frame. As you can see, I was going through it a little bit. Boom, I could draw this little trend line. As you can see, we can see as we scroll down to the time frames, is it still going to be relevant? It could just stay relevant like this. It's just looking pretty sweet. The indicator's still showing that it could go up, but then it could be indecisive. It could just switch and go down due to the fact that it wants to retest this line that I did just set up. So I'm gonna go out to the 45-minute time frame. This wick right here has not come high, so okay, I got enough at that breather at this. So this minor trim, this minor level right here, minor level. Yeah, could have just got enough right there at that point because it has touched there and got enough multiple times, but then it has touched and broke through once. So, no, actually twice. So it has one, retest, two, retest, 1, 2, 3. So this could be that retest right here. I don't know. That mud could blast up in the way at least to about right here to this area. I mean, it's a great area right here for the Fibonacci. That could be an area, but it already bypassed it, or it already touched it right here, and just sharked all the way the fuck down from nowhere. I don't even know where the fuck it came from. You know, but this could be an area that it could retouch. You feel me? So that's what I'm going with. That's what I'm gonna stick with. You feel me? So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna rock with. You feel me? Is what it is. 30-minute time frame. Here we come. As you can see right here. It's looking a little weak. It's forming a candle. I'm not really sure what candle it wants to form, but it's going down. Down. Little one. It's consolidating. Basically. In terms. It's consolidating. I wonder if I put a box around this bitch. But my bad. If I put a box, excuse me, if I put a box around this way. Will it show a break and retest? Can it show a break and retest? Nice little box I drew up right there. Nice little box. So I guess we can wait on the break and retest and see what they end up doing. We can leave that right there in this little consolidated state. You feel me? So again, this is all I have for Euro USD, and that's what I have for this video. You feel me? I'm just gonna wait, sit still, be patient. Today is Monday again, February 28th, and another beautiful day. And thank you, God. You feel me? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I enjoyed making the video, and I hope to see you guys soon on the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, especially if you have something to say, whether it's good, bad, good criticism. I'll try to think of the other word. It's not productive criticism, but I forgot. But either way, though, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Hey, stay tuned. Episode 29. We out.